This is the front side. I want to mark the dart half length under your bust. Mine is 15 inches. From this 15 inches, measure 8 inches. This side 4 inches. 4 inches. 8 inches. I'll do the same thing to the back side. This one is front. From here to here 4 inches. 30 inches. From this place to this place 7.5 inches. From here to here 4 inches. This one is the zip allowance, so I measured from the zip allowance to this place 4 inches. So I'm going to sew this very place now to this place so that I can face the zip. This is the zip allowance. The next thing is to iron it open. This is the zip, but before I face the zip, I will first of all iron this hemming gum. I will just iron it here where I'm facing the zip. I will iron it here. Take it like this. The same thing I will do to the front side. So I'm going to iron this place now with the back. I'm going to zigzag the edge so that it will not be pulling away. Just like so. As I'm going to do everything. So I will not be pulling. This is the sleeve. This band is going to be here. Here. So I'm just going to weave it together. I also weave the down of the flared. I weave it round. After joining the shoulder, I will turn the neck with bias. So I will also bring out the shape of the dress. I will measure the bust, upper waist, which is on top of your belly, you measure it round, and hip. So So I will be doing that one off camera, but I'll show it to you when I'm done. And we will also measure the knee, where we are going to face the flared. So how you are going to do it, you use your measurements, exactly your measurements, to shaping the side. That's what I'm going to do now. I've shaping it already. I don't know if you can see it. Look at that. You use your measurements, you know, measure out the inches you added and measure your exactly measurement to shaping it. So that's what I did here now. You can see this line, this chalk. Look at it here. So I will join the shoulder, turn the neck with bias, then join the both sides together. I have joined the shoulder. I will iron it open, then I will turn the neck with bias. I'm going to turn the neck with this one. You can use bias, but this is what I'm going to use to turn the neck. Then after that, this is the sleeve. I'm going to sew this very one here. You make sure you mark the middle. This one is going to be here. I'll sew it like this. Then after sewing it, I will iron it. Now to stitch it like this, round. This is the sleeve. This is the sleeve band. I will sew the other one like that. Now the next thing is to join the side. I'm joining the both side. This is the sleeve. I've already marked it. Mark your sleeve according to your measurement. Okay, measure here, just make sure the both sleeve are the same measurement. Okay, but before you measure here, you first of all measure the armpits of the gown. Take the measurement of the armpit like this. You take it like this, you measure it round like so. You measure it round like this until you get to this place where you joint the both sides of the fabric. You know, you measure it to this place. The measurement you have here, I mean the armpits, now what you measured on the armpits, that is what you are going to use to mark this place. The same measurement you are going to use to measure this very place. This the side that is going to, you know, be here. This is the side that is going to be here. So you measure what you measure here, you also measure it here. I'm going to sew this very place now, which is the sleeve, the both sleeve. Then after sewing it, I will mark the middle. This is the shoulder. You make sure this side, this very place, is equal. You hold it like this. So this place is the middle. Here, this place is the middle now. So let's go and fix the sleeve. I've already joined the side and I ironed it open. So after sewing the sleeve here like so, I will also iron it open. I'll iron it open before I fix it to the gown. Let's go and do that. This is the sleeve. So this side of it where you joint, this is the down part. This is the down part of the sleeve, the down part. So this very upper side here, where you joint it, you open the allowance like this wide. Make sure it's like this, not like this, no, because you have already ironed it open. It should be open like this. Okay, take this very part now, you take it and put it here. You make sure you turn this one from the inside, because I'm going to fix it from the back. You turn it out like this. Then this is the gown, the side you joined, you know, the side, you open it open like this. Then the sleeve, you take it and put it in the armpits like so. You put it in the armpit like this. Take the right side and the right side of the fabric, you know. So this very line and this line, this place that where you joint it, they should face each other. Okay, let me pin it now. When I'm sewing it, I will arrange it well. So they should face each other like this. Okay, then the upper side, this place, and this place, make sure you also mark this place. This one already have mark here. This is the upper side now. Is this place that is going to be here. Okay, when I'm sewing it, I will arrange it more. So it's going to be like this, like so, like this. Then I will not sew it round. That is what I'm going to also do to the other side of the sleeve. I'll sew it round. Okay, so let me fix the other sleeve. I'll fix the sleeve. This is the sleeve ready. So this is the flat. This is the front. So I'll mark the middle. This joining has already marked this corner. This one has already marked the side. So this is the flared at the middle, you know. So wrong side. This is the right side. So I'll take it like this, like this. Bring this one from here now. You can see this one. Then this one will be here. Just like so. Like so, I'll sew it round. I hope you can see it. So let's go and sew it now. At this point, my phone storage got filled up. I didn't know I was still sewing it. It was when I said let me check, I saw that I was not recording anything. So after joining the flared, I folded the down of the flared, and that was all. This is it. Look at that, so beautiful. Thanks for watching this video. Please help me share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.